Cooking in Cuisine. Thursday is here. 5 questions. 1 winner. Is it you? Rumor has it one of these could be fake. Can you tell? What is the main difference between a fruitcake and a Christmas pudding? Nailed it. Fruitcake is always baked, pudding is always steamed. Which of these seafood items is a bivalve mollusk? Boom! Correct. Oyster. Which of these seafood items is not a crustacean? Boom! Correct. Scallop. Which city is known for the street food poutine, consisting of French fries, cheese curds, and gravy? Correct. Montreal. What is the scientific term for the bacteria primarily responsible for converting lactose into lactic acid in yogurt production? That's right, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Which of these is not a common type of grill fuel? Nailed it, kerosene. Which cheese gets its name from a village in Switzerland and is known for its distinctive holes or eyes? Boom, correct. Emmental. What is the purpose of a brine when preparing a holiday turkey? That's right, to keep the turkey moist during cooking. Which of the following best describes the Maillard reaction? That's right, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars, giving browned food its distinctive flavor. What is the name of the cast iron cookware company that started making charcoal grills in 1950? That's right, Weber. That's a wrap. Hit follow so you don't miss famous landmarks tomorrow.